Hello guys, nice to see you. At today's lesson, you will learn how to write a letter to a doctor and try yourself as a doctor and give advice. Now let's look at the written in a magazine letter to Dr. Orlov. Dear Dr. Orlov, I get lots of headaches. What should I do? Thanks for your help. Best wishes, Simon. So let's look and answer the questions. How does the letter start? Letter starts with the words greeting, dear. Dear Dr. Orlov. How does the letter end? It ends with the words best wishes. Remember that it's important to start a letter with a greeting and to end a letter with a closing. Now you can see a letter, but there isn't any greetings and closing. Think, what should we write there? Let's read it at first. My name is Nadia. Next month, I've got a swimming competition. I want to be very fit. What should I do? Thank you for your help. You can pause the video and do this task by yourself. If you're ready, let's check. At first, we write the letter opening, greeting, Dear Dr. Orlov. And at the end of the letter, a closing messages, best wishes, and a name, Nadia. So we've got a letter. Dear Dr. Orlov, my name is Nadia. Next month, I've got a swimming competition. I want to be very fit. What should I do? Thank you for your help. Best wishes, Nadia. Now you will try yourself in the role of doctors and write Dr. Orlov's letter to Nadia using a given plan. As you can see, there should be 4 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, we should say thank you. In the second, give advice to be active. In the third paragraph, write advice to get enough sleep. And in the last one, to eat well. So now please pause the video and try to write a letter in your copybook. Now let's see the example. We start a letter with greeting, Dear Nadia. Then, as we see in a plan, we write thank you. Thank you for your letter. First, it's important to be active. You need, for example, you can write, get lots of exercise every day. And you can, for example, play different sports or ride your bike. You also need to, for example, rest well. You should go to bed early and sleep for 8 to 10 hours. Remember, these are just examples you can write in your own words, of course. And finally, it's important to eat well because food gives you energy. You must eat 3 meals a day and have healthy snacks. And at the end of the letter, we write closing. It can be best wishes, Dr. Orlov. These were examples. What can you write in each of the paragraphs? But remember that you should always have beginning and closing remarks. So now please look at the table. There are 2 kinds of letters. Letter to a friend and letter to someone you don't know well. Let's write the words from the box in the correct place in the table. For example, a letter to a friend is better to start like, Dear Ben. So now please pause the video, copy the table to your notebook and fill in the table. If you're ready, let's check. A letter to someone you don't know well, we should start like, Dear Dr. Lyle. Letter to a friend, we end like, love from. And letter to someone you don't know well, we should end using best wishes. In a letter to a friend, you can just write your name. For example, Sarah. But if you don't know person well, you shouldn't write only your name. Use your name and surname. For example, Sarah Hill. So let's practice more. Now you can see a letter to Dr. Orlov from Alina Stewart. Let's think how you should start and end the letter in an appropriate way. As it's not a letter to a friend, you should start the letter Dear Dr. Orlov. So we start, Dear Dr. Orlov, my name is Alina. I'm worried because I'm a bit overweight. Also, I get a lot of coughs and I want to be very fit. What should I do? Thank you for your help. So how should we end the letter? Remember that it's not a letter to a friend. So the most appropriate ending will be best wishes and name and a surname of a person who writes, Alina Stewart. Now please imagine that you are Dr. Orlov. What advice would you give to Alina? Remember that to give advice, you need to use modal verb should, which we learned at the previous lesson. So before start doing this exercise, let's practice using modal verb should. Let's complete the sentences with the should or shouldn't. Let's look at the example. I've got a headache. You should drink some water and lie down. Number 2. I've got a stomachache. You should or shouldn't eat so many chocolates. When you have a stomachache, of course, you shouldn't eat so many chocolates. Number 3. I've got a sore throat. You should or shouldn't shout all the time. When you have got a sore throat, you shouldn't shout all the time. Number 4, I've got a toothache. You should or shouldn't go to the dentist. And the answer is should. You should go to the dentist. Number 5, I've got a broken arm. You should or shouldn't lift heavy things. And of course, when you have a broken arm, you shouldn't lift heavy things. Number 6, I've got a temperature. You should or shouldn't go back to bed and take some medicine. And the answer is you should go back to bed and take some medicine. Number 7, I've got an earache. You should or shouldn't stick a pencil in your ear, and the answer is shouldn't. And the last one, number 8, I've got the flu. You should or shouldn't have a rest and drink lots of water. And the answer is you should have a rest and drink lots of water. So I hope that you revised the usage of modal verb should, shouldn't, and now you're ready to give some advice to Alina. In the example, we can see advice, food and drink. You should eat more fresh fruit and vegetables. So what about exercise and rest? Write your own ideas. Now on the screen, you can see some examples. You should go to a sport club and you shouldn't go to bed late, but try to write your own ideas. As you know, to improve your English, you need to train more and do some more exercises. Here you need to put the letters in order and match the words with pictures. And in the second exercise, you need to put words in the correct order. Then write one more piece of advice for each person. And to check how well you understand the topic, take a test. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.